She's sticking needles in her skin. I told me the ugly grin. Her canvas doesn't leave a lot to fantasy, but her peace of mind can stay inside the lines. It's so confusing. The method that she using, she knows she shouldn't leave a mark that I can see. Will she ever find 1 million of a kind? It's cold and lonely, but not because she told me. Lost inside her dirty world, no one else is free to go but her. Oh, she's beautiful, a little better than the mind deserves. You are not inside, please told me she won't shine. Maybe I should let it go, but only when she loves me. She loves me. How I can just let her go? Not until she loves me. She loves me. She drowning in herself again. My God, what a lovely sin. I guess there's nothing left to do but have my way. She can feel it right. So she doesn't close her eyes, she smiles and answers. It doesn't seem to matter. Lost inside my thought yet. Sometimes tell me I'm the one who's scared. Oh, so volatile. I feel better than a man defied. Oh, now I need a pain. Please tell me she won't change. Maybe I should let her go. But until she loves me, she loves me. How can I just let her go? Not until she loves me, she loves me. We are meant to be together, not die and fucking love me. We were meant to hold each other, not die and fucking love me. Die and fucking love me. Die and fucking love me. Die and fucking love me.